Hey Instagram, Rick here from Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Tuesday, April 3rd, and again, it's all about the indexes. Traders, we had a lot going on today, a lot of movement in the market. We actually had 7 called trades. There was actually 9 or 10 called trades, but we only got filled on 7 of them because they just didn't get to the prices we were looking for. And I'm just going to run through them real quick because we got a lot of them. First trade we took was ZL. A ZL that was at 25.89, 25. I said that you can take it as low as 89.50, as high as 90, and that was on the 33 candle. That was a beautiful trade to start the day. The trade made up to 3 points, and then anybody who held it, who had runners and could hold it, they made a little bit more, but 3 points for up to 3 points on that one. And then we hit it again on an understanding trade, and that was at 95 quarter, and that made up to 2 points. And I told everybody that this was a very, very important situation right here. When we got into this trade and we closed strong with this green candle, I told everybody what happens next is very, very important. We'll set the tone for at least the next couple hours or so. And it did initially, and we reversed down here. It took the market down to a key level that I had mentioned down here, and we didn't do anything there. We did it in the NASDAQ, but we'll get to that when we get over there. And then in the ES, we had an RS trade that was around 2600, 2699.50 to 2600, and you'll see that trade made at least 3 points. Some people who held again could have made a lot more, but at least 3. We had a hard target at 94.75, which was almost 5 points, and then ultimately was the 89.75s, which is where we actually bought and went long. So 3 points. First target was main target was 5, so 3 to 5 depending on how long people wanted to hold. And then we had a hard target down lower that was about 10 points down. Now, not everybody got that, they got part of that. And then we bought on a ZL as low as 89.50, and that trade went up to, it went up to 96, but 95.50, we'll just call it up to 6 points on that trade there. And then in the NQ, we had a couple really nice ones in the NQ. And let me pull that one up, the NQ. We got long at first, 64, down here, it was 63, 68. Some people were in as about 69. And that was on the 915 candle. That trade made up to 10 points, up to 20 ticks, 40 ticks, 10 points, up to 40 ticks on that trade. Again, runners would have been an entry up right here after it went up. So it was a really quick 40 ticks. Then what happened was when it came back, I said if it comes back down again, we're going to hit it lower, because I told everybody here that this may come down again because our ultimate area here was at 53. And we got long right on the 921 candle. Mid candle when it dipped down here right at 63.53 right there, and we took that thing up. Now, not everybody got all the way up to the top here, but it certainly made from 53 up to where we went short, and that was over 200 ticks, well over 50 points. 50 points or 200 ticks, at which point I told everybody to reverse, try to get short, and that was up around 64.01, 6400, 64.01, and that one made another 40 ticks. And again, I specifically told everybody that if we didn't break a certain level down here, in fact, I gave the level in the ES, but it didn't matter. I said if the ES doesn't get below a certain number, NASDAQ doesn't get below a certain number, we were not going to get to lower targets. We did get 40 ticks. In fact, a couple of people hit this twice, but I'm only counting it once. And that was really our day. There was three other trades, at least two. I think there was a third one that we just didn't get filled on. They were all winners, but we just didn't. We just didn't get filled after we had all the trades we had. It was kind of like just going to conservative mode, and if we can't get our price, don't take it. Don't even worry about it. Um, Killer day in the room. We're going to be back tomorrow, and we'll see everybody back. Don't forget to check out our free trial. 10 days, 25 hours of trading, call analysis and trade calls and market analysis, and there's no charge. So we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Safe trading.